Here's a 80-gallon, 7.5 horsepower Eaton Polar Air compressor. It's one of the Silent series, so it has this like silencer box on the back, and there's come up with two hoses that go into the induction there. This is 31 CFM, and then here's a vapor honing technologies blaster box. This is the 800P series. Has the optional caster wheels, the rubber mat, and I also got inside a gun mount. It's another option. Standard options are the sprayer and the LEDs. This is a freshwater rinse gun. Here's the blasting gun. This is part of the it's a little loose. That's part of the mount though. It's a ball pivot mount though, if you don't want to hold it, if you're doing like small things. There's the blasting tip. There's the pump down there. It's a slurry of water and glass bead. Once you're done blasting, you kind of like rinse off the walls so that anything that comes off of this door would go into this drip pan. And then this drip pan is piped back into the tank. There's an exhaust port there. This is just stuck in there. Here's the timer for the window sprayer. There's a regulator down here. Let me move this so you can see it. So it operates on this foot pedal. And then here's the electrical box. Down here is the drain everything. This is to drain water but leave the glass bead, like it goes here. And then this is like when you have too much water. This is gonna hook up right here to the garden hose, and that's gonna run your sprayer for the window. It's gonna run your freshwater rinse. There's a regulator here. There's another regulator here. I haven't hooked it up yet. It's a 110. Right now I have to wire my compressor for that plug there. So I'm gonna wire this up. And then I'm gonna do like a test run with this. All right. Here's a little demo how this works. It's an old scooter cylinder. Pretty nasty. I'm gonna spray a little bit and show you. All right. Alright, rinse off that door when I open it. Here's it after 2 minutes. It's nice and smooth.